What's up, guys? It's Tom. Welcome back to the lab. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my life. Now, today is a quick video to help you get the most out of a platform that I have covered several times, Playlist Push. Specifically, I want to give you three things to know. One, two, three. Three things that you need to know before using Playlist Push. Now, before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button on this video and subscribe to never miss any more content. I want you to see all my videos. It will make me very, very happy, and I think it'll make you happy too. Moving on, three things you need to know before using Playlist Push. Number one, genre matters, and more popular genres do better. I know what you're thinking, Tom. Duh. Of course popular genres do better. That's why they're popular. Yes, you are right, but it needs to be said, if you are making obscure polka reggae music, there's not going to be a very big market for that for curators of playlists on Playlist Push. So your odds of getting playlisted after you spend your money are very low. Conversely, if you're making pop or hip hop or EDM, the odds of you finding playlists that match your genre and your sound are a lot higher. And on top of that, vocals in songs do a lot better than just instrumental tracks. I know this from experience. I've done both. If you make instrumental obscure music, Playlist Push is probably not the bet for you. But if you make popular genre vocal music, Playlist Push is a good option. Number two, the production value of your song is super duper important. If your song sounds like crap, but the song is amazing, most curators aren't gonna care. People have a hard time getting past a bad mix, especially people with strong opinions about music like playlist curators and bloggers. A bad mix and a bad master, bad production can bring a great song down. On the other side of that coin, if you have a mediocre song at best, but the production is amazing and the track sounds great, you're probably going to do better on Playlist Push than you would the other way around. So take the time to make sure that your production sounds awesome. Now, if you're over there thinking to yourself, Tom, I'm not a good mix engineer, I don't know what to do. Well, good thing for you, there are plenty of options out there to finish your track with people who do know what they're doing. And my favorite is a website called soundbetter.com. Go check out SoundBetter. There are mix engineers, mastering engineers, producers, session players, songwriters. Anything you could possibly need to finish your song is on SoundBetter. Now, full disclosure, I'm one of the providers on SoundBetter. So if you do need something on there, I can help you. Just want to throw that out there. No pressure. Number three, the third thing you need to know about Playlist Push is it's expensive. Much more so than all the other platforms that it competes with. Now, I'm not talking about websites that say, pay us a flat rate and we will put your song on playlists with up to 100,000 followers. I'm not talking about that kind of thing. I'm talking about websites that give you, the artist, access to individual curators of playlists. Sites like Playlist Push, Submit Hub, SoundPlate. These are websites that allow you to have a personal connection with the people who are adding your song to their playlist. All of those three that I've mentioned and others, Playlist Push is by far the most expensive. But what you're paying for is convenience. In all of the other websites, you have to go through the legwork of selecting your genres, picking your playlists, submitting to each one individually, and creating those relationships individually. It takes time. Now, if you don't have the time and you do have the money, then Playlist Push might be a good option for you. What you are paying for is to have them do that work for you. You upload your track, you pick your genres, you pay your fee, and then you're done. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, you might want to give it a shot. So there you go. Three very important things to remember before using Playlist Push. Make sure you've got a good song and a good genre. Make sure it sounds the best it can possibly be, and get ready to throw some budget at it if you have it. Now, if you're thinking it's something you want to try, hit the description of this video. There is a code down there to save 7.5% off of your first campaign on Playlist Push. Use that code, submit your song, and good luck getting playlisted. That's it for this video. If there's something else you want me to cover, let me know in the comments section. If you hate Playlist Push, let me know in the comments section. If you love Playlist Push, let me know in the comments section. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.